Well, hello there, everyone. My name is Chris P. Chicken, and the P stands for Papa. If you guys saw my first video where I made some gourmet water, you know that was a very delicious recipe. And so today, I'm here with another one to show you guys. For those of you that don't know, I am the best chef in the world, and I make nothing but great food. And so today, we're going to be making one of my favorite foods of all time. Grilled cheese sandwich. Grilled cheese sandwich is just 2 pieces of bread with 1 slice of cheese in the middle. You can also add anything you want inside of it, such as ham or any vegetables, but I usually just do it with plain cheese. And so today, I'm going to go show you guys my recipe for a grilled cheese sandwich. Let's go.
It's the crispy chicken soup.
Alright guys, so you're going to need 3 ingredients. You're going to need bread. And this just depends on how many you're making. I'm only making 1, and there's 2 per sandwich, obviously. Cheese, this is all I got right now, just 1 slice of cheese, and then butter. It doesn't matter which butter you use. This is just the classic, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be using this griddle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug this in right here, and then I'll let it warm up for about 1 minute, and then we'll get started. And while I wait on this, I'm gonna take my butter on my knife, and I will put it on 1 piece of bread. And from here, you just spread it out all over. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. As you can see, I just spread this first piece out. And so now, we're just gonna do this to the second one. Alright, so I've done it to both of these pieces. Now we're gonna start the cooking process. Alright, y'all, so a crucial step here is, you see the butter side? This is the side with the butter on it. You're gonna put the butter side down, and it starts to sizzle. And then immediately after, you're gonna want to take your cheese, whatever kind of cheese you got, out of the package. That's what I'm doing right now. And just put it right on top of the bread. And then I'm gonna let that go right there. And then this time, you take your butter side and you put it up like this, because then you're gonna flip it over, and so the butter side will toast on the other. So yeah, it doesn't take that long to do this. And so you're also gonna need one other tool, a spatula. And so whenever it's time, you're gonna have to flip it over on the other side, obviously. Alright, it's been about a minute, so we're gonna flip. Boop. Oh, look at that. That's a pretty good color, I'd say. So yeah, we're just gonna let it sit for another minute on the other side, and then we'll take it off. Alright, I think it may have been long enough, so we're gonna do the flip. Oh yeah, there we go, that's nice. So, now I'm just gonna transfer it right here onto my plate. And I personally like to cut mine a certain way, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Alright, so the way I cut mine is I take this and I go from the bottom to top. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. Cutting process. And then I gotta show you the pull part. Alright, cut it, and now, there we go. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm gonna try the sandwich. The way you cook it, like the way I just showed, it literally melts in your mouth. Very delicious. Gotta make sure you get that healthiness in there too. And there we go. I already ate the other half of my sandwich. But yeah, this is my lunch. My brother also wanted me to make him one, so that's what I'm gonna do really quick. Bread, butter, and cheese. Butter is applied. Butter is applied again. Butter side down. Cheese on top. Butter side up. Flip, Let's see if it's done. There we go. Apply to plate. Cut it the right way. Pull apart. Ooh, I actually made another one. So, yeah. I think he's enjoying it. But yeah, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Crispy Chicken. And that's how you make it grilled cheese. Anyways, go put on some hand sanitizer. I'm not trying to catch that corona.